In this video, we present the top garden tool sets on the market today. Regardless of whether you are looking for the budget option or through the best to the best, we have chosen one for each category, and we will have one for you. We made this list in no particular order. So if you are interested in what many garden tool sets will work best for you, stay tuned as always. All the links about the product mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So if you want to find the best prices and more information that we might not get a chance to mention in the video, be sure to check it out. Now let's get to the video. Number 1. Centurion Garden Tool Sets.
Buying and using your outdoor tools should be fun and enhance your gardening experience. At Centurion, we are always looking for the most cutting-edge and innovative tools. But we never lose sight of the reason we started this company, a focus on quality and value. Whether you're picking up your first tool or buying another, our product engineers design tools for efficiency, reliability, and ease of use. Look for the yellow handle that says Happy, and let Centurion tools bring your dreams to life. Our tools are built on the belief that DIYing shouldn't be costly, and the right tools can provide a more enjoyable and stylish lifestyle. Look for us at major retailers and online. Centurion.
Number 2. FiveJoy Garden Tool Set.
The FiveJoy 11-piece garden tool set is an absolute lifesaver outdoors. This essential all-in-one set includes a large trowel, small trowel, hand rake, cultivator, weeder, pruning shears, 100 feet of gardening rope, a handheld sprayer, digging claw gardening gloves, pruning snips, and an Oxford cloth tote to keep all your tools packed in one spot and organized. These tools are rust-resistant, durable, and will last you a lifetime. Each tool in the set is ergonomically designed to fit comfortably in your hand. The tools are made with high-quality wood and anti-rust coated steel. The set is lightweight and perfect for home garden use. The set would also make a great gift for any gardener you know. Enjoy your gardening bag with this great set of tools. Gardening is such a great activity to do with the family to see what you can all create together.
Number 3. Gorilla Easy Connect Garden Tool Set.
Welcome, gardeners. Let's see what's new at Gorilla Easy Connect. Come on. Gorilla Easy Connect 3-piece garden tools are ergonomically designed for easy handling. They're made of solid cast aluminum and should last a lifetime. Gorilla Easy Connect 3-piece garden tools also come with a 10-year warranty. You can purchase all Gorilla Easy Connect products online at Gorilla Easy Connect.
Number 4. WANCHI Gardening Tool Set.
This is the WANCHI 11-piece heavy-duty garden tool set. It's got the floral design on each one. They're very pretty. I really like them. They also, all of the tools have this nice rubber non-slip grip. And it's just really nice and easy to hold. They are stainless steel. They won't rust or anything like that. They're heavy duty, really nice. So you've got the little, this one, I'll show you each piece. So we have this one. They're very thick, so they're nice and like the grip is thick and all of this. So you got that one. The little hoe. This is for weeds, so you just go down under and it like hooks along the base of the weed to all of this is pretty much grass, but it hooks along the base of the weed and you can like pull it up really easy. You got a thin shovel and then the thicker one. You also have the scissors. They cut a 1/2 inch branch, so these are great for pruning. So you have this little safety thing to keep it closed. You can just turn it like that to open it up. But these are like really nice and sharp and cut very easily. And then you can just go like that to lock it. So it's in a really great place. Use your thumb, like super easy to use. Just be safe. Don't stick your fingers or anything in it. It also comes with a knee pad to help when you're gardening, to save your knees from the hard ground. Has some really nice gloves, gardening gloves with the little grippies on the bottom. Nice floral pattern.
Number 5. ENGINDOT Garden Tool Set. Number 6. Carso Garden Tool Set. Number 7. FLORA Garden Tool Sets.
Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to this products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.